Are you tired of feeling stressed about your finances? Well, get ready to take control because today, I'm going to share some simple yet powerful tips to help you manage your money like a pro. Let's kick things off with tip number 1. Create a budget. Yep, I know it sounds boring, but trust me, it's a game changer. Start by listing all your income and expenses. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going and where you can make adjustments. Next up, track your spending. Keep an eye on those daily coffee runs and impulse purchases. Make it a habit to pay yourself first by setting aside a portion of your income for savings before anything else. Even if it's just a small amount, consistent saving adds up over time and creates a safety net for unexpected expenses. Aim to build an emergency fund that covers at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund will give you peace of mind knowing you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. Tackle debt last but not least. Let's tackle debt. If you have high-interest debt like credit cards, focus on paying it off as quickly as possible. Consider consolidating your debt or negotiating lower interest rates to speed up the process and save money on interest fees. Wrapping it up, remember that managing your finances is all about making smart choices and being intentional with your money. By following these simple tips, you'll be well on your way to financial success. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay financially savvy.